Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to do a word art project today for your Wednesday spelling art. So from Spelling City, so here you're in your Prezi, you're going to actually look at your list of spelling words here, okay? So you can do a couple things. First, what I would do is I would go to your classroom, okay, right here, and I would go to ELA. Go down ELA until you find Spelling Lesson 3, Unit 1, okay? Click on that Spelling Lesson 3, and then scroll down all the way until you get to where it says Word Art. And you see right there where it says Word Art? What you're going to do is you're going to click on that link. And it's going to open a new site. Many students have used it. So you're going to click on Create Now, okay? And now you're going to take your spelling words and put them in there. So let me show you how we do that. So if I split my screen, and I'm just going to do this. I'm going to shrink my screen this way, and then I'm going to pull my spelling words over this way, if I can make my computer balance right, okay? Make sure you have your spelling or the Word Art app open, and then right here I've got my spelling words. Can we see them over there? What I'm going to do is in each one of these boxes on the left side of my screen, I'm going to put a spelling word, like enrich, okay? My next spelling word is unpleasant, and make sure you're spelling them right. My next one is endanger. And then you just keep clicking on the box, uninspired, and then push return, it'll open a new box. Encompass, unmarked, make sure you spell them correctly, good. Enlarge, ungrateful, encode, enlighten, unlimited, and that should give us a pretty good idea of them. I'll do one last one. Unsatisfied. Okay, so whichever word is sitting at the top is going to end up being your biggest one, okay? So next thing you can do is go and choose your colors. Of course, you know I love purple, so I'm going to make mine purple, okay? And I'm going to say apply, all right? My next word, what color do I want it to be? I'm just going to make a rainbow of them. Okay, apply. So you can go through and you can select a color for each one, apply, click, new color, apply, encompass, new color, apply, and you can play with your color also. Where this bar is right here, you can drag and get the right hue. So maybe if I wanted a pink, okay, and then, oh, I think I want that color right there. Then click apply. See how I did that? And just keep going through each one of the colors, or do whatever color scheme that you want, and apply your colors, okay? And then you get to do some more fun, cool stuff, okay? So apply, oops, we already used that color. Let's go to, we used that color. Let's go to this color. Apply, about an orange, apply that one, and then we're going to apply, let's see, this is just a great one. How about that? Okay, so then the next thing I can do is I can change my angle or my font. I'm going to leave my angle alone because they don't bother me. But my font, I can actually choose a different font for each one of my words if I want to, or I can make them all the same font. I'm just going to use different fonts so you kind of get an idea of some different fun stuff that you can do. Bubblegum sounds kind of fun, doesn't it? You can choose whichever font you want by just going down the font menu and scrolling down. There's a lot more fonts here than what you can see. Okay, let's do Griffey. Let's do Kushan. And then let's do another, Mountains of Christmas. Okay, so now you're wanting to know what's going to happen with that. Click Visualize. When you click Visualize, it's going to create your custom, look at that. Isn't that cool? Okay, so now you have your spelling art picture. That's all of your spelling words. And you can go through and see where they're at. It's going to use them more than once. Okay? Now I want you to save it. So click on save. Oh, click on download. Download a JPEG. Okay? Download a JPEG. And I always just do the standard JPEG so it's not asking me to subscribe or sign up for anything. So click on standard JPEG. Down here in the bottom left corner, it's going to say Word Art. Click that arrow up and it's going to say Show in the folder. Okay, so I'm going to drag that right down here to 5th grade. See how I did that? Okay, now you're wanting to know, well, how do I turn it in? This is how you're going to turn it in. You're going to go back to your spelling document, the one where you started spelling today. Okay, and where it says Insert the picture here by going to Insert Image Save. Click there, go up here to the top where it says Insert, click on Insert, okay? And we want to insert an image. Insert an image, and I'm going to do it from my computer. Yours would automatically save to your drive. So I'm going to go to my computer. I know I'm in 5th, so I didn't name it. So I don't know what it's going to look like, but right here, excuse me, see how it says Word Art? If I click that, and then I push open, ta-da! It sticks it right in there. So I have my Wednesday spelling assignment done. And do you see how much time that took us to do? 6 minutes and 42 seconds. I know this is your first time, so it'll take a little bit longer. After you have all of your spelling done for the week, then you'll turn it in. But this is how you insert it into your document. Have fun!